Good evening, Chicago. This is Carlos from Caravan Cleaning Services doing a move-in, move-out job today. Today's Wednesday, April 10th, and we're doing a job today for one of our special clients. She's a realtor, and this is actually her mom's house that they bought, and they're going to be renting and eventually moving in here, they said, in about a few years from now. We can accommodate evening cleanings in our company because we have janitorial teams as well that do office cleanings, specialty work. So whenever we have a job like this that is after hours, because the morning we already have booked, we're happy to come in here and start about 5-6 p.m. and we can work until we finish, not a problem. So I have a team on the way. We'll do a quick walkthrough right now of the home, show you the condition. This is the master bathroom. Condition in this home throughout, you're going to see it's medium. Just a few areas that need to be focused on, like floors and cabinets. This customer did add interior windows. We're going to be cleaning glass, windowsill, and frame. That's it. No track, nothing inside. We're cleaning fans, baseboards, and doors. Let's take a look at the second bathroom here in the second floor. And these are beautiful bathrooms. And they're really not in bad condition, but we're still going to sanitize everything, wash it top to bottom. That's what our work includes. Even if it's dirty or clean, same process. Like I said, windows, entry. Let's take a look here. And this is the laundry area. Does need a little bit of work. You have to get all this soap out the sink and the counters and the cabinets. So we're going to spend a little bit of extra time working here, and we just have to pick up all this debris. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. Anytime we have an entry door, patio door, front and back, we do inside and outside. That is included with your service. Let's take a look at the fridge. You can see the cabinets do have a lot of smudges on them. We're going to have to wipe them really well, shine them with the furniture polish. It'll look really nice at the end. These are your grease trap filters. We do degrease these, leave them soaking in the grease, and then we rinse them with really hot water, and this will definitely improve. A lot of times these are changed anyways, but if the customer wants to keep them, they'll be in good enough condition to keep using. Oven is not too bad. And interior wise, it's not too bad as well. Just a little bit on the door here, on the glass door. Other than that, we're gonna get started. My team should be here in about 15 minutes, and then we'll see the afterwork. Welcome back. This is Carlos again from Caravan Cleaning Services. We are finished with this job. Everything looks amazing. Let's go ahead and give a walkthrough. Notice how clean and shiny everything looks. Shower glass also came out really nice. Clean the fans. Floors were also deep cleaned. Look really nice and clean. Let's take a look at the other bathroom. This shower was already clean. We disinfected it anyways. Notice how shiny everything is. Let's look at the entrance glass. Really clean and shiny. These laundry sinks are usually stained. They're not very well taken care of sometimes. There's nothing much we can do. The soap has stained also the finish of the cabinet. This cannot be cleaned any further, unfortunately. But back door also clean. For these services we use is actually a special oil-based stainless steel polish, and it actually rejuvenates the stainless steel, brings a really nice shine. It's all about presentation. So the cabinets were wiped down, also furniture polished. Look really nice, clean. As well as the interior oven. These were the filters we cleaned. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, or you can text or call at the number after the video.